Hello, welcome back to my sewing and crafting room. Today I want to show you how I store my metal dies, and this is how I used to store them. I had these 8x10 magnetic sheets that I ordered on Amazon, and they come with a peel and stick, but I didn't use that. You could peel and stick these if you wanted, but I just inserted them into a page protector like this and put my metal dies on it. But after a while, this just got too heavy in this notebook. So, being that these were 8x10, that gave me another idea. So I bought an 8x10 frame, and I turned it over and removed the back, and took out the glass. And since these come 8x10, this will fit perfectly. I'm using 2 of these magnetic sheets, and I'm going to insert the magnetic side down into the front of the frame. Like that. And then I'm going to put the glass back in. And the backing. And now just turn it over. And you got a beautiful frame that's magnetic now. And I can put all my favorite metal cutting dies here. So I can do it. You can do it either way. I like to do it this way so I can actually read the words, because I love using these words when I make my cards. So just put all your favorite ones in the frame, and you can have them on the wall so it's easy access and easy to find what you're looking for. Isn't that great? And now you can place this, hang this on a wall in your craft room, and they're easy access and beautiful at the same time. So now I'm waiting for more of these frames to come in, because I'm going to get several and hang them on the wall as a nice collage of all my metal die cuts. And it will be beautiful and practical and useful all at the same time. And if you want to do something bigger, you could take and peel and stick these to a larger frame, because they're very sticky on the back, and design it yourself. My sister-in-law is actually not even using the frame. She's going to peel and stick these to her wall behind her door of her craft room, just like this, and just peel and stick them all together. Create a wall any size you want of magnetic sheets to hang all of your die cuts. And I will link in the description box below where I got all of these 8x10 magnetic sheets, because it was cheaper to buy a bunch on Amazon than just to buy a couple of these. Now, what do you guys think? How do you store your metal dies? Can't wait to get more of these frames so that I can hang more on the wall, and it'll be beautiful and practical. Here it is hanging on the wall.
Isn't that great? I can't wait to put the other ones up.
Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a so blessed day. Bye for now.